It will come with 3 trim options. The XZ Plus variant will have projector headlamps, hyper style wheel covers, 7-inch Harman touchscreen infotainment with 4 speakers and 4 tweeters, rear park camera, auto fold ORVMs, PEPs with push button start, electric tailgate unlock, and the Tata Motors Z Connect app powered by IRA with 30 plus connected car features that has an ARAI certified range of 306 kilometers under standard testing conditions. For comfort, the Tigor EV has a surprisingly spacious cabin with ample headroom and legroom. You can enjoy a comfortable drive. We are proud to announce that the Tigor EV is certified as ncap 4-star rated, making it one of the safest sedan in the country.